Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. SoundHound AI Sound Stock finally came out with a PR worthy of our attention here. They don't drop that many PRs, which is why if I show you the share price here real quick, you'll notice the price, it's been going sideways, kind of not much of anywhere. At this point, we're just waiting for this to come down as cheap as under $4. For the time being, it is just sitting here doing a whole lot of nothing because that's what happens when a company does not drop headlines, PRs, anything that moves the share price up or down. But today, SoundHound AI announces early debt payoff, robust cash position, and strengthened financial profile, which is bullish. A global leader in voice artificial intelligence today announced that it reached an agreement with its lenders to prepay its outstanding 100 million debt in full. This agreement significantly reduces the early payment cost and enables SoundHound to save over 55 million of interest and fees that would have been due over the remaining duration of the loan. After paying off the existing debt, SoundHound has a cash balance of about 180 million and no outstanding debt, giving the company ample flexibility and a strong liquidity position. And here's what the CFO had to say: with the massive opportunity to deliver innovative AI around the world, our strong net cash position has meaningfully improved our financial profile. We now have a capital structure free of debt, which will allow us to move even more nimbly to capture the increasing customer demand for our voice AI solutions. So this is actually really bullish. I don't know why. Again, the share price doesn't really, it does not react. You normally don't see the share price of SoundHound react unless we get a big drop like NVIDIA investing in it. That's, I think people forgot. NVIDIA is invested in SoundHound. I'm sure they're invested in it for a reason. So what I'm telling you right now is if NVIDIA is a player in this, what do you think? What do you think? They're in it to lose it? They're not in it to lose it. They're in it to win it, guys. So, and I'm a big fan of like NVIDIA right now, under $200. That is a steal. Load up for the next big cycle to not 2,000, but $1,000. It will eventually happen. It takes time, but if you look at the 20-year time span here, this thing, it just keeps going up over the long term. So a good investment long term. And SoundHound, NVIDIA's invested in this. I think they're in it to win it. They know something. They probably know more than we do. So I am looking to buy in, not today, no. I'm still gonna. It is tempting to buy. It is. There's a part of me that's like, man, I should buy right here, right now, because I know, because AI is the future. But let's see if it comes down under 4. Because if you look at the share price movement, it's just horrible. It doesn't go anywhere. The only time it moved was because of that NVIDIA disclosure. Other than that, we would never have gone up here. So I'm gonna wait. I like cheap. I don't know about you guys, but I like being cheap in the stock market. I think everyone should have that mentality. Let's be cheap. Let's buy cheap. Don't be like GME investors, quote unquote investors. You know, this is cheap at $20. This is cheap at $10. That's even cheaper actually at $10. That's where I want to buy GME. Not up here at 61 when it's 6 times more expensive. That doesn't make sense to me. But there are people who did buy at 60, who did buy at 40. I don't know why. That I just don't. I really don't know why. I guess they think, hey, if I buy at 60, it's gonna go to 1,000, and I'm gonna make so much money. I guess that's their thought process. But ultimately, in order to buy bottoms on a stock, you have to be such a cheapskate that it disgusts you to want to buy a stock when it's 6 times or 3 times the usual price from the previous bottom. So that's just me. That's my mentality. That is it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SoundHound. I will see you in the next one.